Fidelity is applying to launch a Bitcoin ETF in the latest sign of the money manager's commitment to crypto. This is through a subsidiary of Fidelity. The ETF, if approved, would track the price of Bitcoin. And the crypto industry has been waiting for an ETF to get the green light. They say it's another entry point for Bitcoin investing, and there have been plenty of applications, including one just last week from Van Eck, but none have been approved by the SEC so far. Fidelity has really been a pioneer in the crypto space, led by its CEO Abigail Johnson, whose grandfather founded the company 75 years ago. Johnson has talked about her interest and support for crypto, and I'm told she is really the driving force behind the firm's initiatives. That has included launching a separate company, Fidelity Digital Assets, 3 years ago, to handle custody and trades. Fidelity also has a partnership with Coinbase so investors can check their balances and make charitable donations in Bitcoin, and it lets people pay with crypto in the Fidelity cafeteria. Johnson also drove a project to start Bitcoin mining in New Hampshire. Back when the crypto's price was around $180, it's now trading around $52,000. The crypto industry has been advocating for an ETF for a long time. They say that it's easier in some cases to get exposure to Bitcoin prices without actually holding the cryptocurrency themselves. So for average retail investors, they say it could be easier. But since this Bitcoin ETF effort really started, there have been a lot of other ways that have popped up that might actually reduce the need for a Bitcoin ETF. You have the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, which is sort of seen as a proxy for investing in Bitcoin. There's also things like PayPal recently launching the ability to buy crypto. So since that effort really started, there's other ways that have popped up. So some say it's probably less important than it was 2 or 3 years ago. The SEC, meanwhile, has cited things like risk, volatility, investor protection for reasons that they have not approved a Bitcoin ETF so far.